Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Let's do the mopping test on the DREAME Aqua10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Here we got some muddy paw prints. We got a bunch of dirt and debris. We're going to see how well the mop roller cleans up these muddy paw prints and a bunch of dirt and debris. I love that the robot has LiDAR navigation. It's got a really good optical avoidance sensor. It has an internal water tank that it can spray water on that mop roller to keep it clean. And it also has a dirty water tank that it's going to scrape the water off of the roller and put everything into the dirty water tank. It does have a base station with a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. It's going to wash the mop roller and also fill the internal water tank up with water. It's got a detergent tank. We can put floor cleaning solution. At the end of the job, it's going to suck everything out of the dust bin into this dust bag. And you have to throw that dust bag away and replace it about every 2 months. It does wash the mop roller with hot water and dries it at the end of the job with hot air. Mop roller right up against the wall. Wow, it does a good job. You can extend that side brush into the corner. Now it is a little on the tall side. It's not able to go under that. That's a 4-inch tall piece of furniture. This is about 4 3/4 of an inch tall, so. But it does have LiDAR navigation. I love LiDAR. It's going to do the perimeter of the room first. After it does the perimeter of the room, then it's going to go back and forth in the nice straight lines. And we'll see how well the optical avoidance works against this cable. So it looks like it is identifying the cable, and it is going to go around it. Now it is able to take a picture of that cable, and you can see it in the app. If you don't want the camera on, you can turn that feature off if you're worried about privacy. That's really hard to identify, a cable really low to the ground like that. And in the app we can see right where it is. There's the cable, and it took a picture of it. And there I am. Wow, it did a good job. It's got a little bit left. We'll see if it gets it. Wow, that's the first pass, and it's almost got it all. So it left a little bit. Right there's another little piece, and it's gone. This floor is clean. Another little bit. Yep, it's good. Okay, I ran and put my white glove on. Wow. This floor, there's a little bit in that crevice. You know, not too bad. I mean, that's really good actually. A little bit in the crevice, but yeah, overall, great job. So it takes about 3 minutes for it to wash that mop roller with hot water. Then it's going to dry it with hot air. All you've got to do is make sure the clean water tank is full of clean water, and once in a while you have to empty out the dirty water tank. I absolutely love the DREAME Aqua 10. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.